Hello students, I am Bindu. Hope you all are doing well. That's fantastic. Let's begin the session. Students, you all need to go inside your house and find out the things that are kept in your house and find those are made up of what. Also, find out what materials were used to make your house. Whether it is a kacha house or a pakka house. Whether it is of iron, aluminium, gold, silver, copper, etc. Or whether mud, sand, cement, etc. If you look around your house, you will find walls made of mud, bricks, or just mud joined with cement and sand. Your house may be whitewashed with white lime. Your floors may be paved with kadapa stones. Pillars and rafters may be made of granite stones. So, these are all called minerals. Today, in Social Studies, Class 8, we are going to learn about minerals, mining, and power resources. Learning outcomes. You will be able to learn about minerals in our houses, renewable and non-renewable resources, some important mineral resources and their uses, types of resources, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Different methods of extracting minerals. Conservation of minerals. Keywords. Mineral, a valuable or useful chemical substance that is formed naturally in the ground. Fuel, a substance that is used to provide heat or power, usually by being burned. Environmentalist, a person who is interested in or studies the environment and who tries to protect it from being damaged by human activities. Luster, a gentle sheen or soft glow. Solubility, the ability to be dissolved especially in water. This is the concept map of the lesson. From where do we find these things? Most of these materials are actually minerals that we get from the earth. Again, if you go around your house, you will find many objects made of metals like iron, copper, lead, chrome, aluminium, etc. You may be wearing ornaments made of silver or gold. These are metals that have been separated or extracted from natural ores, which are also minerals. We use fuels like petrol, diesel, and kerosene. These two are extracted from mineral oils called crude petroleum. Other forms of fuels like coal and gas are forms of minerals. In fact, the groundwater which we get from wells or borewells is also a mineral. In other words, almost anything which we obtain naturally from under the earth, which is not in the form of plants and animals, is a mineral. Do you know? The salt in your food and graphite in your pencil are also minerals. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formation. Some minerals are found in areas that are not easily accessible, such as the Arctic Ocean bed, and Antarctica. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Environmentalists differentiate between the two kinds of resources as renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are those resources that can be regenerated like wood. If we cut a tree, we can plant another tree and hope that it will yield the same amount of wood after some years. Whereas non-renewable resources are those which cannot be regenerated or take millions of years to form again. If we continue using them, we will reach a stage where we will not have any more of these minerals. For example, gold. It is found in very limited quantities in deep mines. Similarly, coal or petroleum are non-renewable. There is only a limited amount of these minerals available on the earth. If we exhaust these minerals, they will not be available to us in future. These are non-renewable resources of energy. I hope you understood renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. Do you know? A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals, but without definite composition of constituent of the mineral. Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. Although more than 2,800 types of minerals have been identified, only about 100 are considered ore minerals. Let us see some important minerals and their uses. Some important minerals and their uses. In modern industry, we use many kinds of minerals. Some important minerals are iron ore, hematite and magnetite iron ore, deposits are available in Telangana state. It is mainly used in steel, palletization, sponge iron and pig iron industries, and it is exported to Japan. Mica. It is a shiny mineral and is used extensively in the electrical and electronic industry. It has many properties which make it useful. It comes in thin layers and is a non-conductor of electricity and heat. Limestone. It is used in cement, carbide, iron and steel. Soda ash, chemical, sugar, paper, fertilizer and glass industries. Granite. It is used in the cutting and polishing industry, decorative panels, monuments, flooring panels. Manganese. It is used in potassium permanganate. Ferroalloys. Iron and steel. Batteries. Chemicals. Ceramic and glass industry. Barytes. This is a group of ores from which an element called barium is extracted. Barium is used for industrial and medical purpose. Barytes is also used in drilling deep holes for petroleum and natural gas. Feldspar. It is one of the raw materials used in making glass and ceramic ware like wash basins, etc. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. They are created by natural processes without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. Types of minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have the characteristics luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite and manganese ore are some examples. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Limestone, mica and gypsum are examples of such minerals. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to search mineral deposits that lie at great depths. This is called shaft mining. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the Earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Use of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore, bauxite, is used in automobiles and airplanes. Bottling industry, buildings, and even in kitchen cookware. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and the concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which humans consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved.